Hello everyone, this is Connectus coming at you with another unboxing video. This time it's going to be of the Teltonika RUTM50. The RUTM50 is a very robust industrial grade 5G cellular router designed for high speed, low latency applications across various different sectors, including industrial automation, transportation, smart cities. It supports both standalone and non-standalone 5G architectures, and of course is backwards compatible with a 4G LTE network. So once we get started, we open it up, and very nice packaging. Has the Ethernet cable. It's got some antennas in there for cellular, Wi-Fi, and of course GPS, as well as the AC adapter to plug in. You got the getting started or the quick start guide, which enables you to be able to set it up quickly, easily, as well as register for your remote management system, which it comes with 30 days for free. The router itself, let me get it out of here, is pretty small. Let me get this box out of the way. All right, so this is the RUTM50. Very nice package, really. I mean, it's metal, it's hardened, so it works very well in a lot of different climates and a different use cases as well. So with the 5G capabilities, it does support sub 6 gigahertz, like I said, SA and NSA with download speeds theoretical up to 3.4 gigabits per second and upload up to 900 megabits per second because of that 5G service that it can handle. It does have 4x4 MIMO with downlink and 2x2 MIMO for uplink. As far as the 4G LTE connectivity goes, it is, like I said, backwards compatible. It's got LTE category 19 and also dual SIM slots. So you should see on here it says SIM 1 and SIM 2, so you can have two different SIM cards in there. You can have it running as a backup or failover option as well. So if you're running it as Ethernet WAN, having your primary connection as Ethernet, maybe you have a secondary or failover option for cellular, whether it's Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, whatever that carrier of your choice may be, or even one of our white label SIM cards that we have available that's a multi-carrier option globally. Reaches out across the world with any carrier there is available to grab a signal from. And you can even do, in a different case, you could say maybe primary is cellular and maybe you have a secondary or failover cellular chipset or a SIM card inside of there for that failover option. That works as well. Just remember, this is one modem. They are coming out with a RUTM52, which will have two modems inside here, so you can work two different SIM cards simultaneously in cellular network, so you can do load balancing or even possibly WAN bonding with the addition of Bondix licensing through Bondix. But super versatile, extremely well priced, and a well built router. You got different LED lights showing whether SIM 1, SIM 2 is active, Wi-Fi, of course Ethernet connections, and different LAN ports that are available to you. It even shows signal strength right there on the display, and if you're connected to 4G or 5G. The power, reset button, and also Wi-Fi, of course 2.4 and 5 gigahertz for Wi-Fi. It is Wi-Fi 5, so you're able to connect many different devices at one time, up to 150 simultaneously connections through Wi-Fi, which is pretty spectacular. On the other side, you've got all of your different SMA connectors, or 1, 2, 3, 4 different SMA connectors for antennas, 2 for your Wi-Fi 5, and then 1 for your GPS. Options. One thing that I would suggest is Teltonika makes outstanding products, right? Their routers are very robust and very nice, and they make really good antennas as well. But if you want even better connectivity throughout your whatever you're deploying this into, you might need an external antenna that could be installed. Or you might just want the regular paddle antennas, but a smaller form factor. And these are white, and they do come in black as well. But this, as you can see, is tile glass. So tile glass makes outstanding products as well, and they work very well with the Teltonika and other routers of your choice as well. Plus the form factor is crazy small, as you can see. Looks like a toy. It is not. It'll give you better reception and throughput with these little antennas than it would be for a much larger antenna, you know, because these are lower cost to build, right? And they're very standard across all routers, you'll see. But if I fit these on real quick, all right, those are your cellular antennas there. And then you also have your Wi-Fi antenna, and tile glass also makes a very small Wi-Fi antenna that works extremely well and has the ability to swivel. So you can make the orientation to your liking, to whatever your application is going to be. And you can have it set up something like this. So you've got your Wi-Fi and then your 4 cellular antennas. GPS, if you need GPS, of course, definitely recommend using the GPS antenna, or get tile glass for your GPS antenna as well, especially if you need it a lot longer of a cable or more powerful. But look at that setup, that's pretty cool. Very, very cool with how the antennas are, very small. Whether you're gonna put this inside of a NEMA enclosure, you're gonna put it on a desk somewhere or in a rack, right? You can even mount these with a different slot. And I mean, you could really put it anywhere, to be honest. They're very, very rugged, so you could put it inside of a vehicle as well and be able to utilize it. If you do, I would say if you're gonna put this into a vehicle, I would probably not go with these antennas, and I'd probably go with a purpose-built vehicle antenna that would be installed. Tile glass is another great option for you to be able to utilize either an in-car or in-vehicle solution, or even a external antenna solution for maybe a branch location that just doesn't get either great reception in the building, or it just doesn't get any reception at all in your demarc location that you're going to be putting routers in your stack within that IT closet, which is never, doesn't have any windows in it, right? So that's a really good option as well. But that, in a nutshell, is the RUTM50. Until next time, we'll see you